Introducing the brand new student accommodation in Birmingham, Pershore Junction, the ideal heaven for ambitious students seeking a luxurious and convenient living experience. Nestled in the vibrant suburb of Sturksley, voted one of the 12 coolest neighborhoods in the UK by Time Out magazine, this modern student accommodation offers a range of contemporary and fully furnished en-suite and studio apartments for you to choose from. Each apartment is tastefully furnished with a comfortable double bed, spacious wardrobe, study area, and en-suite bathroom. If you prefer privacy, upgrade to one of the studio apartments for your very own kitchen kingdom and additional living space. Additionally, the accommodation also boasts exciting amenities to enhance your student journey. Relax in the communal lounge, a hub of laughter and camaraderie, share stories and meals in the vibrant dining area, create memories that last a lifetime, challenge your mates in the games area, or stay active in the well-equipped gym. The choice is yours. Beyond the comfort of your accommodation, explore the pulse of Sturksley. Hop on buses to enjoy swift access to the University of Birmingham or discover hidden gems like Canit and Eat Vietnam, where flavors from around the world await. Also, save time and money, thanks to the various commute options at a short walk from the property. So join the adventure at Pershore Junction Birmingham, where every day is a new chapter in your story. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.